Hi friends, welcome to Pilates Nest. I'm Smriti and today we have Pilates for stress relief. This Pilates is awesome for you if you're feeling a little stressed out or anxiety, or you just want some time to unwind and relax. Today's Pilates is designed to help you release stress and tension from your body and mind, relax, and lift your spirit. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with our legs crossed. If you're able to sit with your legs crossed, or find a good comfortable position seated on the floor, you can use a rolled up blanket or towel and sit on top of it right underneath your pelvis to relieve any stress or tension from your spine and your hips. And just rest your hand by your side, bring the shoulders over the head and melt the shoulder blades down your back. Lengthen the spine up towards the ceiling and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, bringing in fresh air into the body. And exhale, softening the neck, melting the shoulder blades down your back. Deep cleansing breath in. And relaxing, calming breath out. Feeling the jawline melt, neck soften. Deep breath in with fresh air coming in, calming the nervous system. And exhale, softening the muscles, letting go of any tension or worries as you come back to your natural rhythm of breath. There's nowhere else you need to be right now, nothing else you need to do. You've already arrived. So be fully here today. Fully immerse yourself for this time to help you unwind, release stress. Open your beautiful eyes. Gently stretch your head to your right shoulder, stretching through the neck here. And then bring it to your middle. And let's go to the other way. Stretching to the other side. Being mindful we keep the shoulders over our hips and back to the center. The neck and the shoulder is a common area we hold stress, so we're just opening and loosening up those areas as we stretch side to side, releasing stress. And center, and one more time, gently swaying to one side and center, and reach up and over, maintaining that beautiful posture. And back to your center. Bring the shoulders up towards the ears and back behind you and glide it down. So we're just going to do a couple of shoulder circle here, releasing tension and restoring mobility and ease. Let's do 2 more. Last one, let the shoulders flow down your back. For spine twist with cactus arms, bring the arms up towards the ceiling and bend the elbows, align it with your shoulders, making a 90-degree angle. From here, twist and rotate towards your left side, spine twists, and return it back to center. Inhale here, exhale, twisting the rib cage, rotating the spine, and center. And let's add a little bit more movement here with pulses here. Exhale, exhale, and inhale. You can also lower your elbows down if you feel a pressure on your shoulders. And center and twist. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Last time, exhale, exhale, inhale. Lower the arms down for mermaid stretch. Bring both hands out to the side and lengthen your spine up and over to one side. Bring the hand down onto the ground, anchoring there as you reach your other arm up and over. Imagine I'm lengthening and pulling your upper arm up and away, giving you a good stretch there. Breathe, and then stack your spine back up to the middle, making a letter T. And reach your spine up and over the other way. Bring the hand down onto the ground. Other arm goes up and over, shoulders right on top of each other. Legs are anchoring down. You can even bend your bottom elbows for a little more or stay here. Find your version and come back to the middle and reach up and over, lengthening, stretching the ribs, releasing tension and stress from your body. And all the way back up, back to your center. Let's go to this last side. Reach up and over. With one hand, head in line with your spine, making that half rainbow. And stack your spine back up, all the way up. Lower the hands down. Turn around to the front of the mat with your knees bent, feet flat. Hands reach forward. Lengthen your spine up towards the ceiling. And roll back your pelvis. Roll down onto the ground, vertebra by vertebra by vertebra. Bend your knees in. Bring your feet underneath your knees or a little closer or further away. Find a good comfortable position for your knees here. Rest your hand by your side and then reach the palm up towards the ceiling, slightly bringing the arms up into a diagonal for imprint. Bring your pelvis into neutral, so your spine, your lower back has a little space between your lower back and the mat, that natural curvature you have in your back. Stretch your low back, lengthening it on the mat as you tilt the pelvis towards your stomach and bring the pelvis back into neutral. Stretch and lengthen your lower back, curl that tailbone up towards the sky and bring it back into neutral. Being mindful we're not clenching at the neck or the shoulders as we lengthen the low back, imprint the spine on the mat and bringing it back into neutral. From here, going into our knee sway. Sway both knees towards one side, towards me. Keep looking up towards the ceiling or turn the head the other way for a little more of a stretch there. Gliding the scapula down your back. Bring it to your middle and sway the other way. Rotate the head for a deeper stretch. Keep lengthening the hips away from the ribs. You're doing awesome. And center, you got this. Let's do one more each way. Keep anchoring the scapula as you stretch the thigh away, stretching the hips, the lower back, last side, twist and rotate. Create length and ease. And back to your center. Bring both legs together and hands behind the head for knee spread. Anchor your pelvis stable still and open the knees apart, separating the thighs and bring the legs back together. Opening the legs move in the pelvis while the pelvis stays still. So we're moving in the joint. Last one. Beautiful. And return the hands back down onto the ground. We're going to keep our legs together for our shoulder bridge prep. Rest your hands on the ground. Press those inner thighs together, heels underneath the knees or nearby. From here, lift the pelvis up towards the ceiling. Keep lengthening the thighs into a diagonal from your shoulders to your knees, your straight line. And articulate the spine down from your upper back, middle back, lower back, and pelvis back into neutral. Engaging the glutes, press those inner thighs together, press the upper arm down as you lift the pelvis up in one piece. Keep reaching long with your neck. Keep the neck long and massage the spine down, vertebra by vertebra, releasing tightness, releasing stress from your body, and pelvis back into neutral. One more time. Inhale, lift up, engaging the glutes to support that movement. Bring the arms up if you can here. Hold here. If this is too much for you, you can keep your hands by your side. Otherwise, we're going to bring the arms slightly back behind you to open the chest and massage and unwind the spine down, vertebra by vertebra. This feels really good. You can keep your hand position here or bring them back to the side. Let's do one more like this. Lift up, keep your neck long, eyes to the sky, smile, and unwind the spine down, vertebra by vertebra, all the way down, pelvis back into neutral. Bring the hands down by your side. Turn over sideways and come on to kneeling position here. From here, your wrist is underneath your shoulder and your knees right underneath your hip socket here. So legs are hip distance apart. Your spine is long. Press your fingertip onto the ground. Elbows are rotated externally. From here, you're going to bring your hips back over your heel or towards your heel for rest position here. We're going to stretch into this position and then bring your hips back up. Shoulders over the wrist. We're doing a moving rest position here. Stretching back, These gentle, restorative movement to release stress. And tailbone reaches back, head in line with your spine. Breathe and enjoy. Adjust your hand position here if you need to. Scooping the belly and reaching back. You can also turn your knees out externally if that feels better. And back in, shoulders over your wrist and lengthening back. And let's just melt into that stretch in that position. Let your forehead soften onto the ground. Shoulders relax. Deep breath in. Cleansing breath out. Walk your hands out towards the right corner edge of the mat as you keep those hips reaching back towards the heel. Breathe. Feeling that stretch all along the side body, making a little half rainbow here. And now walk your hands towards the other side. So stretching the rib cage up and over, stretching the shoulders. Fold into the stretch. Let your spine stretch here. And now walk your hands back towards the middle. Finding that middle position and walk your hands back towards your knees. And stack your spine back up. Turn around to face me. Sit with your legs crossed. Find a long, tall posture, resting the hands down by your side. Roll the shoulder blades back. 3, 2, 1. And resting the eyes. Close the eyes. Take a deep breath in. And full breath out. And notice the change you feel in your body and mind. Feeling a little bit calmer, a little lighter, more open from the top of the head to the tips of your toes. And now take this moment, think about one thing you're grateful for. It could be something small, it could be something big, anything. One thing you're grateful for. And notice how embracing that gratitude lifts your spirit, lifts your heart. Take another deep breath in and full, peaceful breath out as you open your beautiful gaze. Congratulations, you did it. You completed Pilates for stress relief. I hope you're feeling a little bit calmer, a little looser, and ready to go on the rest of your day with more clarity, calm, and peace. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments and be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. For more restorative Pilates, be sure to check out the description below, and I'll see you back on your mat very soon.